Larry Beers from JER Group reminds us, when most people think of sales compensation, they think of commissions. However, that's far from the only way to compensate your sales team. Your compensation plan must fairly reward your team for their work and offer competitive sales incentives. A few types of compensation plans to choose from include base salary only, base salary plus commission, commission only, variable pay, profit sharing, and territory volume. Once you've selected the right type of compensation for your business, follow these steps to implement it. 1. Set clear, measurable objectives that align with your business strategy. Recognize each sales team member's contribution to tailor the compensation plan accordingly. 2. Review the right compensation structure. While you may already have a type in mind, this could change after you've defined your goals. 3. Set competitive yet sustainable compensation levels based on your chosen strategy. 4. Define quantifiable metrics that are fair, achievable, and tied to both your sales goals and compensation plan. 5. Ensure your team understands the compensation structure and performance metrics. And 6. Regularly review and adjust your plan to keep it effective and relevant. To attract and retain top talent, use competitive benchmarks and offer flexibility in your compensation options. Reward both individual achievements and team success to balance personal and organizational goals. For personalized advice, consider working with expert compensation consultants. JER can help you refine your strategy and improve the effectiveness of your commission plan.